Getting locked out of your Android phone because it asks for the previously synced Google account after a factory reset. Here's how to remove it. Let's begin with MagFone AIO version 3.3, a powerful all-in-one tool that handles FRP reset, CSC changes, and even knocks disabling from a single interface. Click Reset FRP. After that you hit the one-click Reset FRP button and the software immediately prompts you to open the emergency dialer on your phone. You enter the code #0#, which launches the hidden diagnostic menu that kicks off the FRP bypass workflow, and from there you just wait while MagFone removes the protection on its own. The whole sequence turns what used to be a complicated, multi-tool procedure into something that runs almost by itself. If you prefer an even more guided experience, MagFone Android Unlocker is built exactly for that. MagFone leads you straight back to the device's welcome page, where you tap Emergency Call and enter #0# to instantly bring up the diagnostic menu that begins the unlock routine. From this point the software takes over with clear on-screen instructions, meaning you don't need to memorize any codes or navigate hidden menus yourself. Both MagFone and MagFone take procedures that used to require technical know-how and compress them into a straightforward flow, so even if you've never attempted an FRP bypass before you can follow along confidently.